Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best electric bike that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Anker 20 mph e-bike. The brand is rapidly becoming one of the most popular e-bike manufacturers in the world with a range of well-built and fairly priced models. We picked the Anker 20 mph e-bike as our winner because of its versatility, ease of use, and affordable price. The bike comes equipped with a 350-watt high-speed brushless motor. That's more than enough power for your daily commute, a cruise on the mountain, or a meander along your favorite trail. Second on the list is the Anker 26-inch electric bicycle. As the winner of our Best Value Electric Bicycle of the Year, the Anker 26-inch electric mountain bicycle comes in at a far more accessible price point than most on the market, but its low price should all but be ignored when it comes to the quality and versatility of this e-bike, which boasts a lightweight frame and robust design. The Anker comes with a very capable 250-watt high-speed brushless motor. Ride it in pedal assist or full throttle mode to hit speeds of 20 mph if pedaling alongside the engine. Next up is the Hessian electric bicycle. It can be hard to find an electric bicycle that fits the brief of combining all of the top features of a traditional e-bike with all of the additional features of a mountain bike. But Hessian's electric mountain bike does just that, pulling together all of the factors to create a top quality mountain e-bike. With a powerful electric motor and a class-leading range, the Hessian's bike allows any mountain biker to sail through the more strenuous parts of the journey while making the fun parts all the more interesting. Fourth on the list is the Angotrade electric bicycle. Angotrade is one of the best electric bike brands on the market, and with this latest release, the brand has somehow improved on its offerings. Angotrade's 26-inch folding mountain offers advanced electronics and sleek design to make it one of the best picks on the market for those looking for a strong all-rounder for endless occasions. The Angotrade bike comes in slightly cheaper than other models from the brand, yet we think it's also their most versatile electric bike. Last but not least is the Anker folding electric commuter. Another excellent offering from best-selling electric bike brand Anker, the folding electric commuter is an amazing value for money. It offers all the essential features you would expect from an expensive electric bike, but at a fraction of the price. First, you can buy with confidence knowing that the Anker brand is the top-rated bicycle brand on Amazon. Reviewed by thousands of cyclists, Anker's bikes are among the best bikes on the market today. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.